Welcome this video. Rustic bed gardening for beginning growing vegetable. The easy way. Rustic gardening have become one of the most popular for growing vegetable beginning. Those elevate plants area not only make gardening more manageable but also soil quality weak and most productive. Whether you have poor nature soil or smart backyard or a simple vase or original growing space, rustic bed are a smart tool. This guess well you have the benefit plants, build plants or clear for your rustic vegetable gardening. When choose rustic gardening bed for beginning, rustic gardening bed often maximize is reach and well dining, exploring water away easy road not weak with fresh solve and define weak and red. No more build tool perfect for those which build. Growing seasoning. Warm, fast in swing allow. Original layout. Everything mark when enter simple. Plants reflect rustic gardening, vegetable, good plants, your rustic gardening for day ones. Choose the location. Select a season which at 6 to 8 hours for sunlight daily. Accepting water scoring. Pick a level area uneven solved. During on the size, a compress for beginning is 4 feet wide by 4 feet length with 10 to 12-inch deep. Keep the under 4 feet so your reach for both sides without supported insert. Select material. Wood cabin or redwood for natural blobbing, for gardening, bed and among lasting. Recycle material. Collective air upcycle pallet. Build your rustic bed. Greatest material. Lobbing or other choose board metal. Screen or leveled. Level landscape fabric. Access companion the frame. Add part it's supported features palette. If your growing level is before installing. Secure tile kit to withstand salt. Add weak brink. Line the bring cardboard fiber, a black weight, white, allow water to pass those. Choose vegetable for the beginning. Start with to growing easy to boost your comfort. Best beginning friendly vegetable. Tomato. Needs spotted but productive amount. Zinc. Great growing, quick spotting plants. Plants your rustic gardening bed. Follow space guideline. Overcrowd, poor airflow, choose skimming plots or plants lobbying, recomplete, water and main entrance, water tap, 1 to atom a week, then lights, day, water. Morning water is best during rising. Thank you for watching this video.